While there's a variety of sewing machines available, they all operate on the same principle, allowing you to create your projects quickly and precisely. It's essential to grasp sewing machine basics as they enable us to operate any sewing machine model effectively. This is part 10 of the Sewing Machine Overview. Threading the bobbin thread. Threading the bobbin thread is an essential step in operating a sewing machine. We'll explore the step-by-step process of threading the bottom thread and maintaining the bobbin area for seamless sewing. Here are the steps to thread the bobbin thread. Take the bobbin and hold it with one hand. Hold the end of the thread with the other hand and make sure to leave a tail of thread that is at least a few centimetres or a couple of inches long. Insert the bobbin into the bobbin case. Pull the tail of the thread through the slit or hole in the side of the case. Hold onto the tail of the thread and close the bobbin case. Place the bobbin case into the machine, making sure that it is correctly orientated and that the thread is feeding from the bobbin in the correct direction. With the machine threaded and the needle in the up position, hold on to the end of the thread and turn the hand wheel towards you to bring the needle down and back up again. This will catch the thread from the bobbin and bring it up through the needle plate. Pull about 10 centimetres or 4 inches of thread ends and place them behind the presser foot. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully thread the bobbin thread on your sewing machine. It's important to make sure that the bobbin is wound tightly and that the thread is inserted and orientated properly. Otherwise, you may encounter issues with the stitching later on. Don't forget to maintain the cleanliness of your bobbin area by using the provided brush from your sewing machine's toolkit. Regular cleaning helps prevent the accumulation of fluff, which can potentially cause jams and disrupt your sewing process. If you're experiencing bobbin threading issues, take a look at our course, Troubleshooting Common Sewing Machine Problems. We've threaded the bottom thread and cleaned the bobbin area. In the next 3 lessons, we'll delve into adjusting stitching settings to achieve a neat seam finish.